Governing vessel 24 is located the width of your pinky finger above the hairline. To locate governing vessel 24, put your pinky finger at the point where your hairline begins. Then press into the spot just above your finger. Find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is governing vessel 24. Activate governing vessel 24 by rubbing it 5 times quickly. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this.